unbreakable team. To demonstrate that, I will choose the first question, assign it to Dele Alake.
Okay.
And the second question, assigned to Nasiru El-Rufai. And third question, assigned to Ben Ayade.
All right, so can we have a microphone coming in the front? And the first question is about blood oil. Oil. There, this gentleman.
My record is consistent. And the school and the university, they question. They now confess that they wasted their money and their time. The record is there. The transcript is there. So in March 1952, I'm not claiming another father. I am Tinubu and Tinubu proper. If they want a DNA, they could as well require for one. One of them has been even accused of not being a Nigerian citizen. I didn't touch that area. Equally, it remains the same. Deloitte, Chicago State University, where I graduated, has attested to that. Now I can announce that I've received my original replacement degree certificate from them. The Deloitte trained me as an accounting firm. Mobile has attested to my record, a standing record. I got to the pinnacle of my career. And the private sector, who among them can brag about? Yes, you want to wrestle with the pig, you got to live with the dirt. That's what I'm doing. I go into politics. We are knowing fully well that it's a muddy water. Small will come. You will have to live with the dirt.